my name is Grace Mbwete from the Open University of Tanzania, and in this lecture we're going to learn about PHP cookies. In the lecture we're going to cover HTTP and persistence. We're also going to look at HTTP cookies, and then we're going to learn on how to create PHP cookies, and at the end on how to implement them. Now let us look on how HTTP and persistence relate. We have to remember that Internet uses Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which is a stateless protocol. It remembers nothing about previous transfers. That's why we need a mechanism of achieving persistence. We do that by creating cookies and sessions. And in this lecture, we're going to cover PHP cookies. Before that, let us look at HTTP cookies. In Internet programming, a cookie is a packet of information sent from the server to a client and then sent back to the server each time it's accessed by that client. Cookies are transferred between server and client according to HTTP protocol. Also, PHP supports HTTP cookies. Cookies can be also thought as tickets used to identify clients and their orders. So how do we implement cookies? Cookies, as we know, are sent from the server to the client via setCookie header. That is the first way. As we can see from this code, you have a setCookie header which has a name and a value, expired, path, and domain. The name value is a URL encoded name that identifies that particular cookie, and then the path and domain specify where that cookie apply. Now let us look at cookies from PHP. As you can see from this diagram, we have a cookie for PHP from in getRequest method. Now let us learn on how to create PHP cookies. PHP cookies can be created firstly by directly manipulating the HTTP header using PHP header function. As you can see from this code, you have your PHP script, and then you have a header and then a setCookie function. Another method, the same method, as we can see, we've created two cookies called myCookie in this code and another cookie called another cookie. In this function, a setCookie, you need to have a name, a value, expire, path, domain, and secure. Name denotes name of the file. The value, it's a data stored in that particular file. And then expire, it's a data string which explains the lifetime of that particular cookie. What about the path? The path is a subset of URLs in a domain where it is valid. And the domain is domain for which the cookie is valid. Secure is set to 1, which is to transmit via HTTPS, which is Hypertext Transfer Protocol secure. So how do we read the cookies? To access a cookie received from a client, we use PHP cookie superglobal array, as you can see from this code. Now let us look at an example of creating and using cookies. As we can see from this code, we have two cookies that have been created, and we have to know that cookie can only become visible on the next page load, not instantly. Now let us learn on how to delete a cookie. When you're deleting a cookie, you set the cookie first and then you delete it. Now, where is the cookie being stored? A PHP cookie. This depends on a browser, whether you're using Firefox, whether you're using Mozilla or Internet Explorer. Different folders are being used on storing that particular cookie. This is the end of our lecture. Remember, we've looked on why we have cookies, we've seen that relation between persistence and hypertext transfer protocol. We've looked at HTTP cookies. We've looked on how to create PHP cookies, and then at the end, how to implement PHP cookies. Thank you for watching.